I'm going to do the top 5. Coming in 5th place today, Bubba Bacon. Coming in 4th place, Wes King. I know he's around here somewhere. Redneck Rocket Show. Coming in 3rd place today with a smoking hot time on both courses, the Danny Smith. Third place. What is it? I didn't think it happened.
First of all, I want to thank you for having us here and letting us race the park. Great place. Really like the course today. Riding the crew, set up fast course, still technical. You could mess up for sure. I want to thank all my sponsors, everybody that helped me, my fiance, Good Lord Above, for making all this possible. And I just look forward to next race and seeing everybody again. Thank y'all.
Awesome. All right, coming in 2nd place time with a 2nd place and 3rd place finish, Jake Pike. Yeah. Even though he runs it forward, he still did pretty good.
Thanks for everybody coming out and watch today. It was a pretty good crowd. Thank the good Lord, Yahuwah, for watching over us today and having a safe race. And MWI for standing behind me and helping me get to these races. Pretty much everybody else. I mean, thank you everybody for watching. It's an awesome sport. Yeah, everything's good. And thank you, Matt.
All right, coming in with the fastest time on Hill 1 and Hill 2, Mr. Timmy Cameron.
Thank y'all for coming. Thank y'all for coming. All y'all with me, folks.
Congrats to all the spectators coming out and during a little rain shower this morning. Buggy did great. Luckily everything held up good. Took a couple bad shots, but it took it. IFS still proving it to hold up strong, but got lucky again. Thank these guys for taking their time for me. Thanks for helping me out. Appreciate it. See y'all next go around.
Thanks everybody. Give them a round of applause. And we also got our 2nd round of RC course going over there. If you guys